In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll to choose display and brightness. Now scroll again, but this time to choose refresh rate over here. Now tap on any of those to apply it: dynamic, standard, or high. If you decided to select high, you will see this option show up: manage apps using high refresh rate. Enter it and use those switchers to allow or deny any app using refresh rate set up to high. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!